Excellent. Now we are moving to, time is zipping past. So now we are moving to the section 6, real life challenges. So one of the
Yep.
thing I have is that aspirant deal with the pressure from the family members and from the society and all that. Do they need to care, or they need to keep going until they succeed?
Yeah, it's a tough situation which most of the students actually go through, most of the aspirants. So to come to that, I'll just give one advice, one thing. When you might have observed, right from 10th standard or PUC or UPSC, any examination results, the academies or the schools actually put up the posters that our students have achieved so much a percentage. We are proud to announce that our students have achieved IAS, IPS. Somewhere I feel I always give credit first to the student and next to the parents, that is the family. It is the student and the family who actually put a lot of effort and sacrifice their time, effort, and money. We from the academies, we put hardly 20% effort. 80% of the effort is from student and family. So somewhere I feel the close family should stand along with the aspirant. That matters a lot. If the family is not with the candidate, it's going to trouble them. Very difficult. It becomes very difficult for the candidate to, be away from the family and stay focused. It's going to be a big challenge. But if the family gives them confidence and says that we are with you, do not worry, you move ahead, just few words, just few kind words, that will give a big boost to the candidates and they'll be motivated.
Excellent, very well response. So financial crisis and financial struggles come along the way, and this is
Yes.
sometimes inevitable and all that. So what advice you have for them?
Yes, I'm very much glad that you have covered most of the frequently faced challenges. I'm
Yep.
really happy to the questions what you're posing here.
Yeah.
This is again one common challenge which most of the students have. So what I suggest, wherever possible, use the free resources. There are many free libraries everywhere. Even a taluka center has free resources. So they should go and utilize those free libraries where they don't have to pay anything. They will get all the books free of cost. Up to IAS level, they will have the books. Even taluk level, they have the books. So that is first thing they have to do. Second thing is they should plan their expenses. They should not spend the money unnecessarily on, probably on dressings or, accessories. Unnecessarily they spend. They should cut down those expenses. Instead, spend it here on the learning and gaining knowledge, or probably if they need mentoring or coaching, they should spend the money here instead of wasting money somewhere else. Third thing is they can also try for part-time jobs. Many academies also hire coordinators, administrators as part-time jobbers. They can work in the academy and they can study there itself. So those options can be considered.
Yeah, beautiful advice you have. So
Yeah.
somebody like, they just, given the exam and they could not make it out, and I'm not capable, right? So this is not for me, right? So just if they would have attended one or two times, they would have surely hit the zone and then become an IAS and IPS. They shy away from one or two steps and all that. What
Yes.
advice you have there? They have come all
Yes.
the way but did not make it.
Yes. Yes. So there is a saying in English, eat an elephant slice by slice, they say. Even elephant can be eaten, but slice by slice. So this is certainly this is a one of the big examination, one of the toughest examination. There is no doubt. So if they want motivated, they have to take small goals, complete the small goals, build confidence, then move to the higher goals. They should believe in gradual improvement. Nobody can achieve success directly and come get 100%. That is not possible. All of us know that there is a compounded growth of 1%. Probably you might have heard about it. 1% every day, 1% improvement every day over 365 days actually makes the person 37 times more powerful. So 1% target, 1% improvement every day. So they are definitely capable. So this is how these are the strategies they should follow. They should not simply randomly study something and get demotivated. Following a proper routine, definitely it is possible.
Yeah, very good response. So now there are students who is good with by hearting the content, not realizing, understanding, mulling over the content, everything. And then when it goes for interview, they really messed up, right? So although
Yes.
these academic numbers speak for itself, another one is
Yes.
that when it goes to the exams and
Yes.
particularly the interview kind of things, they get
Yes.
juggle, fumble, and they're not able to articulate the points and all that, right? So what advice you have for them?
Yes. Yeah. This happens, we call something called as, I always advise whether percentage or personality. I choose personality first always. It is the personality which helps to succeed in any with UPSC as well. They will look at the personality. So along with the academic preparation, a candidate has to work on improving the personality also. That is very important. Now, how to improve the personality? They can take part in community works, social service, interact with people. They should not, close themselves in a room always and only focus on academics. They should go into the society and mingle with people, understand the real problems and understand the real solutions as well. That's when they can open up in the interview, because interview checks something called as common sense. There is one more C. Common sense will be checked in interview.
Excellent, excellent. Very wonderfully, you have put forward